No. No more throwing it up straight in the air like that. Because either you're going to end up breaking something or it's going to go over the fence or...
I recorded him.
Hi, Beefy. Hi, Bruno.
We could pretty much up on you.
Yeah, I know. Bruno.
Oh no.
Hi, Bruno. Ah!
Still recording this.
Get your ball. Get it. Get your ball. You can't force him to move in the direction. Get
I
it.
stand up, that's good.
He hates that collar.
You couldn't do it. Yeah, but you couldn't go in anywhere.
What if we had a giant house?
Bruno. Nope.
So bad.
No. I'm going to have to cover that up.
Toilet and a giant sink.
He's going to get stung.